My name is Dempsey. I'm the first assistant prosecuting attorney of the Major Crimes Division at the Greene County Prosecutor's Office.
My name is Sarah Johnson. I'm an assistant public defender in the St. Louis City Trial Office.
I'm Molly Hastings, and I am an assistant public defender.
In terms of how do I prepare myself in order to go forward and become a good advocate for the state, a lot of that I think just comes from caring about the community, caring about the victims, and knowing that I'm not just protecting this victim but other future victims, especially if I know that this is an individual who's gone and done these same things in the past. If he is a dangerous criminal, if he is a career criminal, I feel like as a prosecutor I have a duty to protect the next victim and to seek justice for this victim.
I care about my clients. I care about people, especially people in the position that we represent. They're people who have been forgotten. They're people who are mentally ill. They're people who society has chosen to push aside. And they're people who haven't always been told that they're loved. And I love my job for that reason. I get to help people, and I get to show that, you know, we care, and I care. And everyone is bigger than their worst mistake. So I get to fight for people.
The way I prepare as I would want my lawyer to prepare. I try to do the job that I would want the lawyer representing my husband or my brother or my parents. That's what I try to do. I try to work as hard as I would expect someone to work for me. And it's never failed me.
I couldn't think of a better award for me to receive, or an award that I would want to receive more. There are a lot of awards out there for attorneys who don't do trial work. And for an attorney like me who really loves to do trial work and will spend hours and hours and hours preparing myself for it, and going in day and day out in the prosecutor's office, whether I'm in a misdemeanor bench trial or some of the severe, serious felonies that I try, there's really no other award that I know of that comes close to kind of capturing what a prosecutor truly does.
Gosh, it's awesome. I mean, it just is an incredible honor to receive this award. Not just for myself, but for all of the experiences that I've had, for every single attorney that is in my office. We have a fantastic system and a fantastic group of attorneys, and it's an honor, and it's an honor too because I've been recognized as someone, you know, who does fight, and I really like that because I do, and I care, and that's awesome.
So I have been just over the moon. This is the best, the best, the best, the best, you know? I work for the government. I don't make any money. I represent people that the rest of the world finds despicable. I work crazy hours, and I'm confronted all the time about how can you defend those people? And I do all of those things gratefully and with a smile on my face. But when the rest of the world hands me an award and says, we get it and we appreciate you, you cannot beat that. Like, it's the best. It is the best.
And the only advice I could say or give to anyone is go out, try cases, and watch people who try cases. And the more you do, the better you're going to become.
I mean, I think my biggest piece of advice is just to follow your heart and follow what you want to do. You know, if you want to be in a big firm, be in a big firm and pursue your passion. You know, I think that's what I did, and I have confidence in my love, and my love is helping others. So just have confidence and have passion in what you do, and you know that will take you, you know, very far.
You just have to be brave, you know? And I'm not calling myself brave in saying that. I've been in a lot of situations where my client has demanded a trial under terrible circumstances and facts that are not going to work for us, and I have had zero expectation of success. But at the end of the day, it is not my decision whether my clients decide to go to trial or not. And I think that it took me a very long time to switch gears from trying to convince my clients to do what the rest of us thought was in their best interest, to just supporting and respecting their decision to push forward.